More than 80% of the Filipinos are united in standing up for what is ours in the West Philippine Sea. And
Pakinggan natin siya.
more than a lot of countries, not just the traditional allies, are expressing their support for the Philippine government. Ibig sabihin, the transparency is working. But we didn't say that the transparency initiative is a silver bullet in countering Chinese aggression. So for us in the NTF-WPS, as what Sir Jonathan has mentioned, our battle of the narrative in the West Philippine Sea has just started. And we're not going to stop in winning our information operation to counter the fake news and misinformation of the People's Republic. May mali ba na sabihin sa sambayan ng Pilipino na winawalang hiya tayo ng China? May mali ba na i-expose natin sa mundo na ang China blatantly violates the international law? Mali ba na imulat ang mata ng sambayan ng Pilipino na kailangan magkaisa tayo para sa laban natin sa West Philippine Sea? I don't see any wrong thing sa ganitong laban natin. Information that we provide to the Filipino people. Mahirap tayo makipaglaban para sa bansa natin kung ang sambayan ng Pilipino hindi niya naiintindihan kung ano ang pinaglalaban natin.
Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson Commodore G. Tariela.